Now we are going to see the test mode of this 835 model. For test mode, super cool and super freeze. Long press for 5 seconds. First unlock the freezer. Now unlock. Now it is entered into the test mode. First we have to press fridge one time. One time means we have two lights in first. It is gives supplies to the fan motor and compressor. For first you can lock this button. Now light is standard means compressor is turned on. It's working now. Compressor is working now. Okay. Come. Second test mode, just freezer one time. It's come between this means it will turn on the heater after display get locked. Now display is locked. You can see. Now same we connected in a heater voltage heater phase neutral. It's showing voltage. Previously we didn't receive a voltage on this meter. Now its voltage is coming. This is a test mode for heater. Then one more. It has a third light. Then we can lock this display. Now lock. You can see our ice maker will work. This third LED belongs to ice maker and ice maker pump. Now ice maker pump is working.